For questions 1 and 2, you're going to use the following picture. Number 1. These two angles can be classified as A. Supplementary and adjacent, B. Supplementary and vertical, C. Complementary and adjacent, or D. Complementary and vertical. I'll give you a few seconds to answer number 1, and then I'll start with question number 2. Okay, question number 2. What is the measure of angle X? Question number 3. Which algebraic equation represents the phrase 10 decreased by a number is 17? Question number 4. Classify the pair of angles as vertical, adjacent, supplementary, complementary, or neither. Question number 5. If the measurement of angle 1 is 46 degrees and angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary, what is the measurement of angle 2? Number 6. Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. If the measure of green angle ECB is 68 degrees, what is the measure of angle ACD? Number 7. What is the measurement of angle C? Number 8. The angle measure of 4 figures are given in the table. Which one is not a triangle? Number 9. Given that this triangle is an equilateral triangle, which statement is not true? A says the measure of angle A is equal to the measure of angle B and is equal to the measure of angle C. B, the measure of angle A equals 180 degrees minus the measurement of angle B plus the measurement of angle C. And then C, the measurement of angle A is 45 degrees. Number 10. The side lengths in ABC are A equals 6, B equals 8, and C equals 13. Which statement is true? Number 11. If the measurement of angle C is 50 degrees, what is the measure of angle B in degrees? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Question 12. Of the numbers 5, 6, or 7, which is a solution to the inequality y plus 4 is less than 10? Question 13. Which inequality represents the statement 4 more than a number is at least 17? Number 14. Solve x minus 26 is greater than negative 29. Number 15. Solve 32 equals 4 times d.